Good morning all. In the previous class, we discussed about joint probability distribution function. Okay, ma? Joint probability distribution function. In the joint probability distribution function, we are taking two random variables. Those will be x and y. You are taking x and y are two random variables. Then the joint probability distribution function is represented as capital F xy of xy. Okay, ma? So this is the distribution function for discrete and continuous random variables. These are the properties of discrete. These are the properties of distribution function. Next, joint probability distribution function. For this, we are taking two random variables x and y. This is the joint probability distribution function. If you are taking x and y are discrete random variables, then this is a joint distribution function. So these are the properties of joint distribution function. Okay, ma'am? So up to this, we learned the previous class. Now in this class, we are doing one problem based on this. Okay. So see the problem here. Assume that the joint sample space has the probabilities shown in table. Find the distribution function fxy of x comma y and the marginal density function. Okay, ma, here marginal distribution function. Okay, so here the required value is marginal distribution function. Okay, ma, the table is given here. X comma y. These are the events in x and y random variables. Okay. The corresponding probabilities are p of x comma y. Okay, ma. Previous ga manam first unit lo problems chesam kada andulo manam x p of x అని చెప్పాం. Okay na? X అనే random variable లో ఏ events ఉంటాయి. The events will be. Next, the corresponding probabilities of the events. Okay. Here we are taking two random variables x and y. That's why here the sample space having these are the events. Okay, the corresponding probabilities are p of x comma y. So this table is given. For this table, we are calculating what are the required values here. Find the distribution function fxy of x comma y and the marginal distribution function. Okay, ma? Marginal distribution function. So what is the formula for fxy of x comma y? By observing this table, is it belongs to discrete random variable or continuous random variable? Observe the events. Events 0, 1, 2, 3. That means all are integers. Some countable values will be there. That's why this belongs to discrete random variables. Okay. That's why we are getting summation. We are getting summation in the joint probability distribution function. Okay, ma? Here fxy of x comma y is equal to summation. Two summations will be there. Why? For two random variables. Okay? P of x comma y, u of x minus xk, xn, u of y minus ym. Okay? So here fxy of x comma y is equal to, so what is the probability first? 0.2. Okay? Here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. These are the events here. Okay? So here x minus 0 comma u of x minus 0 into u of y minus 0 plus 0.3 into u of x minus 1 into u of y minus 2. Okay? Plus 0.4 into u of x minus 2 u of y minus 3 plus 0.1 u of x minus 3 u of y minus 2. ఓకే మా చూడండి మనం ప్రీవియస్ గా ఎలా అయితే చేసామో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే we are doing this problem also. Here we are having two random variables, that's why we are getting u of x, u of y, u of x minus 1, u of x y minus 2, like that. Okay, do you understand this? Fxy of x comma y. Okay, so one required value is completed. What is the next required value here? What is the next required value? Marginal distribution function. Ikkada density అని పడిందమ్మా, this will be distribution. Marginal distribution function. Okay, so what is the marginal distribution function here? Already here the marginal distribution function is fxy of x comma infinity equal to capital Fx of x. That means here one of the variable is taking as infinity, then that will belongs to marginal distribution functions. Okay ma, now by taking this formula we are calculating the marginal distribution function. Okay, so capital Fx of x equal to fxy of x comma infinity. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడమ్మా y వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి, ఇన్ఫినిటీ తీసేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి here no need to write u of y minus yk here. Okay, so that's why capital Fx of x equal to 0.2 into u of x. Okay ma, u of x. So there is no need for y event here. Okay, plus 0.3. See here 0.2 u of x minus 0 plus 0.3 u of x minus 1 plus 0.4 into u of x minus 2 plus 0.1 u of x minus 3. Okay ma, here y value should be infinity. Okay, are you understand here? So for this capital Fx of x, what is capital Fx of x here? The distribution function for x random variable here. Okay, the marginal distribution function is equal to the distribution function. Okay ma, so based on that we draw the graph for that. See here, this is for capital Fx of x 0 1 2 3. So at 0 what is the probability? 0.2. Okay, at 1 what is the probability? 0.3. So this is cumulative distribution function adding the previous probabilities also. That's why at 1 we are getting 0.2 plus 0.3. What is it? 0.5. That means at event 1 the distribution function is 0.5. See here, at 1 we are getting the distribution function 0.5. Okay, చూడమ్మా ఫస్ట్ 0 దగ్గర ఎంత ఉంది? 0.2 ఉంది. 1 దగ్గరికి వచ్చేటప్పటికి that will be incremented to 0.5. Next at 2 what is the distribution function? 0.4 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. 0.4 plus 0.3 is 0.7. 0.7 plus 0.2 is 0.9. That's why at 2 the distribution function is 0.9. Okay, next at 3 0.1 plus 0.4 plus 0.3 plus 0.2 1. So at the event 3 the distribution function becomes 1. Okay ma, this is the marginal distribution function for x random variable. Okay, in the same way for y random variable, how to calculate for y? So ఇక్కడ మనకి y అనే random variable కి marginal distribution function కావాలి కాబట్టి x ని infinity గా ట్రీట్ చేస్తామమ్మా. Then f capital Fy of y equal to capital Fxy of infinity comma y. Okay, so here there is no x term, that's why 0.2. See the table here, 0.2 u of y minus 0 plus 0.3 u of y minus 2 plus 0.4 u of y minus 3 plus 0.1 u of y minus 2. Okay, So here x value is infinity. That's why we are considering only y random variable. Okay, ma? So here 0.2 u of y plus 0.3 u of y minus 2 plus 0.4 u of y minus 3 plus 0.1 u of y minus 2. If we observe the second term and fourth term, observe the second term and fourth term here, u of y minus 2, u of y minus 2. That means the same terms will be there. So here the coefficient is 0.3. Here the coefficient is 0.1. So what happened here? So 0.3 u of y minus 2 plus 0.1 u of y minus 2 is equal to 0.4 u of y minus 2. ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా. u of y minus 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. రెండు సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ కదా, కాబట్టి దాని కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ ని మనం 0.3 ప్లస్ 0.1 యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అమ్మా. ఓకేనా? దట్స్ వై హియర్ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్ 0.4 u of y minus 2. See here 0.2 u of y plus 0.4 u of y minus 2 plus 0.4 u of y minus 3. Okay, ma? So for this, if you draw the plot 0, 1, 2, 3 here, at 0, what is the distribution function? 0.2. Okay, ma? Next event ఏంటి ఇక్కడ 2. ఓకేనా? కాబట్టి ఆ 0.2 అనేది 2 వరకు కంటిన్యూ అవుతుందమ్మా. ఓకేనా? 2 వరకు కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. At 2, what is the distribution function? 0.4 plus 0.2. So that will be 0.6. Okay, amma? So at 3, what is the distribution function? 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2. That's why at 3, the distribution function becomes 1. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, మిస్టేక్ ఉందమ్మా. 0.1 కాదు, 1 here. Always the distribution function final value becomes 1. Okay, ma? So in this way, we are doing the problem based on joint probability distribution function. Here, the required values are joint probability distribution function and another one is marginal distribution function. ఇక్కడ మనకి స్పెసిఫిక్ గా మార్జినల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఫర్ x, మార్జినల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఫర్ y అని ఇవ్వలేదమ్మా. కాబట్టి we calculated the two marginal distributions. Okay? See the next topic, joint probability density function. Joint probability density function. Okay, ma? So before going to the joint probability density function, first we recollect the density function formulas, probability density function formulas for discrete random variables and for continuous random variables and properties. Okay, ma? And properties. See here. If x is the discrete random variable, then the probability density function of the random variable x is defined as the probabilities at a given values of x. Okay, ma? Probability density function ante enti? That is equal to the probability of the particular event. ఆ ఈవెంట్ దగ్గర ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంత అయితే ఉందో the same will be getting as the density function also. Do you remember? So based on that, if you are taking the discrete random variable here, that's why small f(x) of x equal to summation I equal to 1 to capital N p of xi del of x minus xi. Okay, ma? Del of x minus xi. So this is the density function for discrete random variables. Okay, ma? Next, if x is a continuous random variable, then the density function small f(x) of x is the derivative of the distribution function. Okay, ma? The derivative of the distribution function. So what is the formula here? small fx of x is equal to derivative of the distribution function. Derivative of the distribution function. Okay, ma? So here x is in between minus infinity and infinity. So these are the formulas for probability density function for one random variable, amma. Remember this, for one random variable. Only we are considering one random variable, that is x here. Okay. Now, if you are taking the properties, okay, ma? So what is the first property? 0 is less than or equal small fx of x for all values of x. What is the meaning here? What is the meaning? The density function is always a positive value. Okay, ma? The density function is always a positive value greater than or equal 0. Okay, దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటమ్మా? దీన్ని రివర్స్ లో రాసుకుంటే మనకి small fx of x is greater than or equal 0. Okay, ma? Next చూడండి, second property. Integration minus infinity to infinity small fx of x dx is equal to 1. Okay, ma? So here, what is the meaning for this property? The area under the density function, the total area, that is the limits are minus infinity to infinity. That's why the total area under the density function is unity. Okay, ma? The total area under the density function is unity. That is integration minus infinity to infinity small fx of x dx is equal to 1. Okay, ma? So this property is used in problems also. How it will be used? It will also be used to check whether the given function is a valid density function or not. మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చేస్తామమ్మా ఈ ప్రాపర్టీ మీద. అది రిమెంబర్, ఒక ఫంక్షన్ వ్యాలిడ్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్ అవునా కాదా అని చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి కూడా మనకి ఈ ప్రాపర్టీ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుందమ్మా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ capital Fx of x is equal to integral minus infinity to x small fx of x dx. What is this? The relationship between the distribution function and density function. Okay, ma? The relationship between the distribution function and density function. Okay, ma? Next property, p of x1 is less than, x is less than or equal x2 is equal to integral x1 to x2 small fx of x dx. Integral x1 to x2 small fx of x dx. That is, the probability between x1 and x2 is equal to the area under the density function between x1 and x2 limits. Okay, ma? So these are the properties of probability distribution function. So in the same way, if you are considering two random variables, those are x and y, then how we are taking the joint density function, that is joint probability density function. Okay, ma? Joint probability density function. See here, joint probability density function. Yeah, the jointly probability density function of the two random variables x and y is defined as the second derivative of the joint distribution function. యాక్చువల్ గా మనం ప్రీవియస్ గా ఒక ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఫార్ములా ఎలా రాసామమ్మా, స్మాల్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డి క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ బై డిఎక్స్. ఇక్కడ మనం జాయింట్ ప్రాబిలిటీ డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్ లో మనం 2 ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటాం కదా. దట్స్ వై ద జాయింట్ డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ small fxy of x comma y. Here 2 random variables will be there. That's why here we are using the partial derivatives. That's why dou square fxy of xy divided by dou x dou y. Okay ma? Here capital fxy of x comma y is a joint probability distribution function. Okay ma? So this is the formula for joint density function. Suppose if x is discrete random variable. If x is discrete, discrete అంటే discrete అనగానే మనకి ఏం గుర్తు రావాలమ్మా, సమ్మేషన్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, స్మాల్ fxy of x comma y equal to summation n equal to 1 to capital N, summation m equal to 1 to capital M, p of xn comma ym, delta of x minus xn, delta of y minus ym అమ్మ ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? So this is the formula for joint density function if x and y are belongs to discrete random variable. Okay ma? Next, see the properties here. So what is the first property? Small fx of x is greater than or equal 0. That will be extended to 2 random variables. Then how the formula, how the property becomes? Small fxy of x comma y is greater than or equal 0. Okay ma? Is greater than or equal 0. Small fxy of x comma y is greater than or equal 0. What is the next property? Integration minus infinity to infinity small fx of x dx is equal to 1. Okay ma? So ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 random variables కి applicable చేయాలి కదా. So double integral, one integral for with respect to x, another integral with respect to y. That's why double integral minus infinity to infinity small fxy of x comma y dx dy equal to 1. ఓకే అమ్మా, మీకు ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ లో ఏవైతే ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉన్నాయో అవి వస్తే ఇవి వచ్చేసినట్టేనమ్మా మనకి. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో జస్ట్ హియర్ 2 random variables, just extension for that. Okay, next the third property is capital fxy of x comma y is equal to integration minus infinity to x, integration minus infinity to y small fxy of x comma y dx dy. Okay, are you understand how to get this formula? Previously we are having capital fx of x equal to integration minus infinity to x small fx of x dx. Okay amma? Next the fourth property is p of x1 is less than, x is less than or equal x2 comma y1 is less than, y is less than or equal y2. Okay ma, is equal to integral x1 to x2 integral y1 to y2 small fxy of x comma y dx dy. Okay ma? So these are the properties of joint density, that is joint probability density function. Okay ma? So here marginal density functions here. Okay, marginal distribution and density functions. So if you are taking the distribution function, capital fx of x is equal to ఎలా వచ్చిందమ్మా మనకి? Capital fx of x is equal to capital fx of x comma infinity కదా. Capital fx of x comma infinity previous class లో నేర్చుకున్నాం అమ్మా. capital of x is equal to capital F of x is equal to capital F of x comma infinity. Okay. So ఇక్కడ మనకి x random variable వచ్చేసి x comma y random variable infinity కదా. That's why here చూడండి integration minus infinity to x because here x will be there. Y will be infinity. That's why integration minus infinity to infinity small f x y of x comma y dx dy. Okay ma, dx dy. Okay, here capital F y of y amma. This will be capital F, marginal distribution function for y. So for y ante ఏమవుతుందమ్మా మనకి fxy of x comma y, sorry infinity comma y. Okay, fy of y equal to f of what is here, x term will be infinity. That's why infinity comma y. Okay ma, based on this. So ఇక్కడ x infinity కదా కాబట్టి చూడండి integration minus infinity to infinity. This is for x. This integration is for x. Next integration minus infinity to y. Capital F x y of x comma y dx dy. Okay ma, these are the marginal distribution functions for x and y. Okay ma. Next marginal density function in the same way here. So density function ante small f x of x equal to derivative of capital F x of x kadamma. So ikkada manam marginal density function. That's why small f x of x is equal to here only with respect to y. With respect to y integrate chestam amma. Integration minus infinity to here minus infinity to infinity small f x y of x comma y dy equal to dou f of x comma infinity by dou x. Okay ma. Next small fy of y in the same way here this formula also. Okay ma. So this is the marginal density function. Okay ma. So what we discussed in this class, first we learn the problem based on joint probability distribution function. After that, in the first unit we learn the density function for discrete and continuous and the properties. Okay, next based on that, for these two random variables x and y, what are the formulas for joint probability density function for discrete and for continuous random variables, and the properties of joint probability density function. Okay ma.